Everybody, my name is Jairaj Kulkarni. My school name is Viksit Bharat Buildathon English Medium School, Satara. Today I am going to be showing you my project, Interactive Caregiver System using ESP32. So this is my ESP32 health monitoring project. It offers notification functionality for whoever is not in reach or very far away. After further modifications, we can make it so that it can show alerts using call, or it can contact the nearest hospital in case of emergencies. So let's see the working of the system. So now let's see the working of the system. As you can see, this is a pulse oximetry sensor. It uses the concept of photoplethysmography to check your SpO2 and BPM. As you can see, I have placed my finger and it will show the results on the OLED. As you can see, the BPM is 99 and SpO2 is 96. Along with that, we can also see the time. Now let's see some other features. As you can see on the screen, it says reminder is off. Now you may ask, what is this reminder? The reminder is that every 30 minutes it tells the user to place its finger on the pulse oximeter so it can determine its reading and take measures accordingly. So to turn that on, we can press this button. As you can see, it says reminder on. And to turn it off, now if the BPM goes under 50 or above 150 and SpO2 comes under 50, it will send an alert. Now let's look at the next feature. The next feature is the sleep feature. Now you may ask, why is this here? It is because, as I said previously, when the reminder is turned on, it asks the user every 30 minutes to place its finger on the pulse oximeter. But the sleep mode prevents it. Imagine you are sleeping. It does not show the reminder after 30 minutes. But when it is turned off, it will show. As you can see, it says sleep equal to yes. Now let's look at this phone. Until the notification comes, let's look at the next feature. The next feature we have is the user not well feature. When I press this button, as you can see, it says alert, user not well. Now it will, as you can see, it said patient not feeling well. If the patient is not in contact or out of reach, there is no way to determine whether the patient is feeling good or bad. But I have tackled this problem and came up with a solution. As you can see here, it says health data from ESP32A. This is the ESP32A. It shows the BPM is equal to 93, SpO2 equal to 97, reminder is off, and the patient is sleeping. Now it shows the health data from here to here using the ESP Now protocol. Now you may ask what these buttons are for. When I press this button, as you can see, it asks, did you drink water? Yes for reminder on, which is this button, and no for reminder off, which is this button. Now I will reply yes. As you can see, the answer comes yes here. Let's try again. As you can see, it asks again, did you drink water? I will answer no. As you can see, it showed no. So this is my ESP32 health monitoring project. Thank you for your patience.